Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth the Markin. In today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely terrifying infected George dimension. That's right, guys, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely terrifying and super scary infected George dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, he doesn't infect me too, guys, because I don't think I could handle it. If I get infected, I don't think I could handle it. So I'm going to have to keep my distance from him. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 20 light blue wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground. Just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your light blue wool. Just like that, right there, guys. After you've done that, now you just want to go ahead, run, and jump on up. Grab your light blue wool and place 5 of these on this side with 1 red wool right on top. And now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down, son of my buns. That really hurt, guys. That really did hurt. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 light blue wool on this side. And then 5 light blue wool smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 red wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down. And take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. But now it's time to head into the infected George dimension. This is going to be so scary, guys. Oh my God, guys, I knew this dimension was going to be terrifying, and I knew it was going to be scary, but I did not think there was going to be a big, terrifying, scary house in this dimension that I was going to have to go into. Whoa, guys, I didn't sign up for this. I did not sign up for this. You know what? I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to head in there. But if I see something scary inside this place, I'm running out. I'm running out, guys. Please, please don't let there be anything scary inside this big, scary house. And I mean, like, where even are we? Like, this whole dimension's scary. This place is really freaking me out. I feel like he's going to sneak up behind me any second and try to infect me. You know what? Let's just go ahead and take a look in this window. Wow, it is actually really nice inside this place. Wow. This place is really nice. Wow, I should have came to this dimension sooner. I could have been sitting back on this nice, lovely couch, just watching this humongous television. Wow, I could have been living the life. But you know what wouldn't have been living the life? Is if I would have been watching a scary movie about people getting infected. And then all of a sudden, infected George sneaks up behind me, touches my back, and then I'm infected. And then, oh my God, that would be scary. I don't know what I would do. I don't know what I would do at that point. Hopefully that don't happen. Hopefully that don't happen. I have nightmares about stuff like that. I really do, guys. But wow, what is this? This must be his bathroom. Wow, he has double sinks. He has a luxury bathtub. And he also has a beautiful toilet. I know what he probably does on this. I know what he probably does on this. I don't want to think about it. I really don't want to think about it. Although I kind of do. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put my pig on his toilet. That's what he gets. My pig's using his toilet. He's going to be so upset. Infected George is going to be so upset at me. He's going to infect me right away, guys. And whoa, this must be his kitchen. Wow, this is really nice. You know what? After I take infected George out, me and you should take over this house. That's what's going to happen. Me and my pig's going to take over this place. Wow, this place is really nice. Is there anything inside this chest? Really? Nothing? Really? I can't even believe that. Get down from there, pig. What are you doing? Is there something hidden in the wall? I don't think so. I definitely don't think so. I think he was just infatuated with this lantern. But wow, guys, this kitchen is really nice. Is there anything inside any of these ovens? Really nothing inside either of these ovens? I'm so disappointed. There's nothing on the fridge. There's nothing inside that chest. And there's nothing inside both of those ovens. This is really making me mad. When I see infected George, I'm going to have to talk to him about this. I'm going to have a long, long conversation with him about this problem. Because it's really making me mad. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to head up the staircase, guys. I'm going to see if there's anything happening up here. And oh my God, guys. This place is amazing. Just take a look at the ceiling. Wow. I'm definitely taking this place over. You know what? Infected George ain't nowhere around. So I'm just going to take this place and look at this humongous television. This is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of. Wow. And he has a nice, beautiful, bouncy bed. Wow, guys, I really am living this place up. This place is really, really nice. This is my kind of place. Humongous televisions, beautiful, beautiful beds and couches, and I absolutely love this place. I could definitely see myself spending the rest of my life in this place. I just don't want to do it infected, guys. I do not want to get infected. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this closet. And oh my God! Oh my God! I was not expecting that. Oh snap, guys! You know what? I'm gonna take him on. No, I'm not. I'm running like a chicken. You know what? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Let's get dangerous. Boom! Take that right to your ugly pig face because I don't like it. Stop, I'm running again. I'm so sorry, pig. I didn't mean it towards you. I only meant it towards him because he's infected and I don't like him. You know what? I'm getting in the closet. Maybe he'll just go away. Guys. Did he go away? No, he didn't go away. No, he didn't. He didn't go away, guys. He did not go away. That did not work. I was hoping it would work, but it didn't work. He didn't go away. I tried to hide in the closet, but he was right there. Wow, this really is turning into a scary, scary movie. Boom, take that, bro. Take that. I don't know if I'll be able to take him out, guys. I'm just going to keep running. From him. Maybe I'll tire him out. Take that right to your pig face. You're not going to affect anybody anymore. You hear me? Boom, take that. How much health does this guy have? It's like I can't take him out. Oh, he's doing some damage to me now, guys. He is definitely doing some damage to me now. You will not take me out, and you definitely will not infect me or my pig. Boom, take that. Oh, I took him out, guys. I took him out. Wow, what do you think about that, pig? I know he was basically like a brother to you, but he was infected, so I had to take him out. I had to do it. But you know, look at the good side to all of this. We now own this place. We now own this place. As long as he don't come back. Because the only thing that's worser than an infected George is an infected ghost George. I would not want to deal with that, guys. I definitely would not want to deal with his ghost. That would be real crazy, wouldn't it, Pig? My Pig, he's dealt with a couple of ghosts in his day. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.